you can create epic and viral commercials for multinational brands such as Nike. And you can do all of that with AI in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this commercial.
Every frontier begins the same way.
One giant leap for mankind.
But now, the frontier has changed. We're not doing this because it is easy. We do it because we just do it.
A few days ago, I covered a video on NanoBanana 2 and on Kling 3. So that got me thinking, why don't I combine these two and create a super cinematic, kind of funny and edgy commercial and see how that turns out. So I did exactly that in this video. I'm not only covering the basics, I'm going in depth, and I'm even giving you some of my resources to use in order to create better prompts, get a better structure, and use the right tools and processes in order to make this process as easy as possible. Even if you're just a beginner now, you can create these epic shots like this, like that, and even like this with just a few prompts. And I'm excited to see what you're taking away from the next few minutes and what you create. So let me know down in the comments below. But your time is valuable, so let's get right to it. To create any good video, you can follow this workflow. You first do research on the audience, you come up with an idea and a script, then you create prompts for your AI tools, and then you create AI images in order to create the AI videos, voiceover, music, sound effects, and then you edit everything together. I made this entire prompt pack as well as this custom GPT that we will be using in order to create a lot of these images. Having that said, you can do all of this independently without using any of my resources. Just use whatever tools you prefer. However, if you do want to use any of these resources, check down below in the description. Some of them are free and all of them are linked below, so feel free to try them out. So the first thing we'll do is to do some research on our target audience and what kind of commercial we're trying to make. In this case, let's make a really cool commercial for a sports brand, for example, Nike. I'll go to my custom GPT that's trained on making really good ad creatives and commercials, and I'll give it this prompt. Create an epic, cinematic Nike commercial. I want it to do some research, identify what Nike stands for, their core audience, core target groups, etc., analyze the works and psychological drivers, and then brainstorm some different concepts. Since this is a more complex task, I'm gonna go into the thinking mode. Hit enter. And it thought for a while, did the research, and came up with what Nike stands for. And it says at its core, it's about three things: inspiration, innovation, and athlete obsession. So that's already a good starting point for us to use for whatever commercial we create. It says the official audience is broad, but mainly young athletes and sport culture fans. And here are the 10 concepts it came up with. These are all already pretty good. And the top 3 are gravity quit first, run through the archive, and winning has teeth. I like these 3 already, but I want to go a bit bigger. I have an idea of maybe something with like space or space travel and making it a bit nostalgic, but also futuristic. So I'll tell it that and let's see what it comes up with.
A few moments later.
And here's the concept it came up with. The concept is called First Steps, and it's a cinematic Nike spot that treats space exploration as an ultimate performance category. Here's some reasons why it recommends this concept. Here's what the commercial covers. The key takeaway is that every giant leap begins with a step. I really like that already. And here's the script, and here's a shot-by-shot structure. It starts with a launch pad, then there's a ladder descent, there's lunar impact, then it goes over to Mars, rocket descent over Mars, and then an astronaut athlete emerges. And then the first steps on Mars with a futuristic Nike boot presses on the Martian dust. All right, this is really good. I'm not going to do any editing on this for now, but let's create some AI image and video prompts. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Nike or have any affiliation with them. I just thought it would be funny to make a commercial about them. So Nike, if you want to use this, contact me. And if not, I hope you enjoyed it. Now let's create the prompts for the AI models. In order to do this, let's go back here and paste in this prompt. Now, please, for each shot, give me the exact prompt for the starting image of each clip, as well as the video prompt that we will use as a starting image as a reference. I'm also giving it a little bit of information of what we're using. In this case, I'm telling it we're using NanoBanana 2 and Kling 3.0 or Kling 03. And by the way, you can use whatever image model you want. And I'll send this off. This is now where we get to the exciting part. We've done the research, we've come up with an idea, we have created the prompts. Now we will just need to plug in these prompts into our AI generators for the images, videos, and voiceover in order to get all of the assets we will need for editing. And for this, I'm using a platform called Artlist. Artlist has all of the top AI image, video, and voiceover generators out there. This means that you don't need 5 different subscriptions if you want to use NanoBanana and ChatGPT images and Kling and Sora and VO3. You can just use one subscription subscription and use it across all of your media generation. On top of that, I will also use their stock catalog to look for a song that we will use for this particular commercial. And you can use whatever AI image and AI video generator you want to use. But in my experience, using an all-in-one platform like Artlist makes this whole process 10 times easier. Now, enough talking about tools. Let's actually create some images and videos. When we go back to our custom GPT, we now have all of these shots. For example, here's shot 1 with the start image prompt, the end image prompt, and the video prompt, as well as any sound effects that we might want to look for or sound effects prompts if we want to generate them with AI. And we have that for each individual shots. Plus, we have additional B-roll shots in case we feel like we need additional images or videos in order to go along with our original A-roll. Now, creating images and videos with this is super easy. Simply follow these instructions. Now go over here, copy this prompt, and in Artlist, click on Toolkit. Now select the image section right here and paste in your prompt. Under images, you can either use NanoBanana Pro or NanoBanana 2. And NanoBanana 2 is just as good as NanoBanana 1. I just made a video that compares them, so check that out right here if you're interested. Or you can use whatever AI image generator you want. You can use ChatGPT image, Grok image, Cdance 5, but we'll be using NanoBanana 2 because it has a good ratio of cost to quality. You can select how many images you want to generate, and you're going to select the 16:9 aspect ratio because this is a commercial. For now, let's select 1K resolution in order to save some credits, and let's generate these images.
A few moments later.
And here are the first 2 images. This already looks awesome and looks super realistic. And this one doesn't look as good. It has some people here and it's very dark and grainy. So it's gone a little bit too far. So because of this, I reprompted it a little bit, changed the prompt just a tiny amount to give it a more dramatic feel. And here's the outcome. And this is more the outcome of what I'm looking for. It has the Saturn V here, the USA, and this one is from another angle where they're ready to lift off. So now if I want to create my second image, I can now use this primary image as reference, download it, and add it as a reference image. Now I paste in the ending prompt image right here. And I'll create this image right here.
A few moments later.
And look how good this turned out. This is exactly what I had in mind. And it looks super realistic. It's the same kind of angle, the smoke, the rocket engines, and the rocket is lifting off. This is phenomenal. Now here's how you turn this into a video. You download the second image, and now you can click here on the generate video button right there. And you upload the second image. Select whatever AI video generator you prefer. And in my opinion, the best ones are Veo 3.1, Kling 3.0, or Sora 2. But Cdance 3 will be coming out soon as well, and it will be out on Artlist as well. So subscribe to this channel if you want to see how good that looks. We'll be using Kling 3.0 or Kling 03 throughout this entire video. So let's click on that, select the Pro version, select 7 seconds, 16:9 with audio, and no negative prompt. And this is when we now use the video prompt right here. Paste that in here and click on Create Video. Now, before we review how this video turns out, let me generate a few more images and videos with the same method. To do that, I'm gonna see the Artlist and my prompts side by side. I'll go to my second prompt, put that back in here, 2 images, create. And I'll do the same with the other prompts as well. Here are some of the black and white shots from the first part of this commercial. We have the rocket shots you saw earlier, then we have the rocket launching, we have the astronaut descending, we have the footprint, we have a side angle of him descending, and then we have the astronaut planting the flag. And then we turn them into videos. You can see here the rocket is launching, here's the astronaut descending, here he is stepping down, and all of that just took a couple minutes. Now let's zoom into the future and see how the shots on Mars turn out, because this is something where AI doesn't have any training data. So I'm curious if it can execute on our vision.
A few moments later.
And we will be doing the exact same thing for the Mars shots. I took the prompts from my Ad Genius, pasted them in, and I got a few shots like this. I got an establishing shot, I got some ideas of how I want my rover to look, but I ended up settling on something like this. And then I was able to animate how it touches down. Then I created a shot of how it looks like when it's touched down with the engines off, and a shot of it with the hatch open. Now I just have 2 or 3 more shots on the left-hand side, and then we'll create the dialogue, the background music, and maybe some sound effects and stitch it all together. This is coming out really well. I can't wait to stitch it all together.
A few moments later.
And I'm almost done creating all of the shots, but here's something that I want to point out to you. Sometimes I use NanoBanana because it's cheaper, but if it doesn't get the results I want, I switch over to NanoBanana Pro, or I try out different AI image models. For example, in this case, it looks like the astronaut is was going up the ramp, so I've reprompted it with a better model to get this shot where it's actually walking down the ramp. And similarly, here it wasn't able to replicate exactly what I'm looking for. So with the NanoBanana Pro model in this case, it actually performs much better.
A few moments later.
Check this out. Here are all of the shots that I'm using for this video, and they look fantastic. I have a few videos, I have a few images that I'm using as reference, and it's all coming together super well. This means that it's now time to create a voiceover and a soundtrack and maybe some sound effects and stitch it all together. And this will all just take a few minutes because it's super easy to come up with these as well. And this is how I do it. Back in Artlist, I'm gonna zoom out and you can see here that there's the AI voiceover. Click on that. Down here, you can select between different models. You can either select ElevenLabs V2, V3, Minimax, or Katisha Sonic, and all of these have good models, but I prefer using the ElevenLabs V3. You can either test out some voices here, for example, this one.
I don't remember when it began.
But that's not what I'm going for. Maybe something like Showtime?
Sometimes, when I have time to think.
That sounds pretty good. Or this one has an astronaut. Maybe this is a good one.
More than exploration. It was obsession.
I think that would work really well. Let's try that one. And simply click on select voice. The voice is selected here. And if you want to, you can add effects, but I'm gonna leave it as is. For the voiceover that we're going for, that was all already created with my custom GPT. If you want to follow my steps one by one, you can check out my free guide that I'm leaving below. Or if you're creating your own video, just use your custom GPT voiceover. We'll go with this one and go back to Artlist and paste this in right here. And we'll hit enter right here. Let me log in with my headphones and let's listen to this.
Every frontier begins the same way. With a step.
And that is pretty good. I'm just going to regenerate it a couple times to make sure that the intonation is correct in all of the places where I want them to be. And then I'm going to use the best pieces for my final product shot. And just hit regenerate.
Every frontier begins the same way. With a step.
I like that already much better. So within less than a minute, we were able to create our voiceover. I love that. By the way, if you're wondering on how to create voiceovers effectively, I made a complete video on that and how to use ElevenLabs effectively and create special intonation rules. So check out that video right here. And I've also got a link below. But now let's make this all epic and let's create a background song for this specific commercial. To do that, we can go over here on the stock catalog. And you can see that you can either download music, sound effects, footage, or templates, and even tools and other things. For now, we're looking for the music. And in just a second, I'll show you how to look up sound effects as well. I usually check by the genre that I'm going for, and in this case, I'm going for cinematic. After this, I select what mood I'm going for, and in this case, I'm going for epic and powerful. And I'll also choose uplifting. Let's see what music we got here. This usually doesn't happen, but I think this is actually the track. Not kidding you, this is the first track I tried out. Let's listen to 2 more tracks, but I think this is already the one that I'm going to use. Here's the other one. It's good, but not what I'm looking for. I'm going to spare you this and I'm just going to go with the first one because I thought it was already really good. Quick note here is if you're subscribed to Artlist, you do not have any copyright restrictions. So when you click on download right here, click on MP3, it will download the songs right here. However, it's important that within Artlist, you link your YouTube account so that it recognizes that the song was used on YouTube and that you don't get any copyright strikes. And that is also super simple to set up. Simply go over here, go to my account, click on the clear list, and then add your YouTube URL. Just take that URL right here and insert it right here. Select your account and it recognizes your account and it's added. Do the same with your Instagram. By the way, this is a great plug to say subscribe to this video if you haven't already. And if you want to see more like this, I have a great one coming out on the newest AI video model called Dance 2. And it's also coming out on Artlist. So stay subscribed if you want to see how epic that one really is. Anyways, I'll take my Instagram and I'll also connect my TikTok. And if you have any questions about the licensing, just check out the questions right here. And I'm confirmed right here. Now to the sound effects. Go back over here to sound effects and check out what they have in stock. That is a good one. Let's download this. That is a good one. Let's download this. That is a good one. And you can also put something like rocket launch. And let's see if they have something. That sounds close enough. This is good for the landing. And we want to get some footsteps. This is good. And another good one that you might want to try out is the reverse riser. That one adds drama. And being able to do sound effects well is really an art, and I haven't mastered it yet, so please don't judge too much on the video, but you can really spend hours perfecting your sound design. But without further ado, if we check our list, we were able to generate all of the prompts, we were able to generate all of the assets. All we need to do is put this all together in your favorite editing software. One that is free is CapCut or DaVinci, but I usually like to use Premiere Pro. And I'm not going to show you the whole editing process, but this is in essence how you put everything together. Simply click on Import Media and select our assets. Go to your videos and select all and drag them to your timeline. Go to your audio, take the voiceover, and select the best pieces that you like.
Every frontier begins the same way, with a step. But now, the frontier has changed.
Then we go over to sound effects and paste them in here as well. And of course, we also want our background track in there as well. We want to make sure that the drop here happens approximately halfway through when it goes to the new frontier. And after a bit of editing, I put together this timeline right here, and I'll show you how that turned out in just a second. But first, thanks so much for watching and liking the video if you liked the video, and subscribing if you want to see more content like this. If you have any questions or requests, leave them down in the comments below, and try out Artlist and see if you can create some epic commercials like this yourself. If so, leave them down in the comments below, and feel free to check out what other people created there as well. Now here's the commercial we created.
Every frontier begins the same way. With a step.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
But now, the frontier has changed. So, we design for the next first step. Lighter, faster, ready for a new world. Because no matter how far we go, the future still starts with a step. We're not doing this because it is easy. We do it because we just do it.
Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, you should definitely check out this one next. And if you subscribed, I'll see you in the next one.